Good afternoon, sir. This is our report about William James, 1842-1910, was an influential American philosopher and psychologist who made significant contribution to both fields. He is often referred to as the father of American psychology and was the first educator to offer a psychology course in the United States. Early life and education. Born into a wealthy family in New York City, James received an electric transa- transatlantic education and was fluent in both German and French. He initially aspired to be a painter but later pursued scientific studies at Harvard University, earning his MD degree in 1869, though he never practiced medicine. Career, career at Harvard. James spent most of his academic career at Harvard University, where he taught psychology, anatomy, philosophy, and psychology. He is introduced course in scientific psychology at Harvard and established the first experimental psychology demonstration laboratory.